13 apps to make daily money on your smartphone. Look, do you need some extra cash? I mean, you want some cash right away, but you really don't have time for a part-time job. I mean, traveling to a job and being there on certain hours. Hey, in this video I'm going to show you 13 apps where you can instantly make money with your smartphone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down there. If it's red, turn it gray. And also don't forget to turn on bell notifications. Ring the bell so you're notified each and every time I go live on this channel. That way you don't miss a single thing. Now your mind's going to be blown. There are so many easy ways to make money on your smartphone. I don't know why anybody works a part-time job anymore, because you can just do stuff from your smartphone. In this video I'm going to give you 13 apps, but they're for Android, they're for iPhone. It doesn't matter what you have or what you use, you can make money. Companies are looking for people just like you to go through these apps and do things, and they are willing to pay you in PayPal, in gift cards, all kinds of things you can earn. Now I'd like to break this up into a couple things. The first thing is side hustle apps. Now keep in mind, as I go through these apps, not all of these apps are for everybody, so you need to pick and choose what works for you and what works for your schedule, the amount of money you want to make, the amount of effort you want to put forth. The first one I want to talk to you about is DoorDash. DoorDash is free to sign up for, and basically you're just picking up food and dropping it off at houses. If you're out driving around anyhow, you can pick up some extra cash. Are you going to get rich on this app? No, but if you want to pick up some extra cash, you can. They say that drivers make anywhere from $15 to $20 an hour. Now you get to keep 100% of your tips when you work for DoorDash. So here's my recommendation, and I go out to a lot of restaurants. Treat people with unbelievable service. Be extremely kind, be extremely friendly. Now some drop-offs are just that, drop-offs. You'll have no contact with a person. However, if you do have contact, you want to be really upbeat, really happy, look good. You want to dress decent. You know, you don't want a DoorDash person coming up with scruffy clothes and dirty hair and they're thinking, oh my God, that person's got my food in their car. Don't do that. So there are little things you could do, you can tweak to make a little bit more money on that app. The next app I want to talk to you about is DECLUTTR. Now everybody, I think everybody, I know I do, has stuff around the house they haven't used for years. You can upload images of what you have to DECLUTTR. You can sell those items and you can get instant cash. Now a lot of people think they don't have things of value, but you'll be amazed what people will spend money on. The only thing you have to do is upload the items to DECLUTTR and you can start pocketing cash. The next one I like a lot, number 3, is SWAGBUCKS. SWAGBUCKS has all kinds of ways of making money. I mean, it can be from just watching videos online, it can be from the shopping that you're already doing, it can be from surveys, but SWAGBUCKS is a great way to pick up some cash, and anybody can do it. Matter of fact, you can even get paid for playing games on SWAGBUCKS, and if you like it, you can refer your friends and you can get paid for that too. The next app I want to talk to you about is TURO, T-U-R-O. TURO is really cool. What it is if you have a car and you would like to rent it out, you can make money on TURO. Now the first time I heard about TURO, a friend of mine had rented a Tesla X, really cool car, and that person actually bought that car and was making enough money to make all the payments of the car, so they got the car for free, and they didn't even rent it out for the entire month. If you think about it, a vehicle like a Tesla X, which is an expensive car, maybe a six-figure car, but if you rent it out 10 days out of the month at $150, you still got 2/3 of the month you can drive the car and you're getting $1,500 a month. But this app is not just for high-end cars. A Toyota Corolla 2016 I saw the other day, that guy was earning around $500 or $600 a month off a 2016 car. Toyota, you can make all kinds of money on TURO if you've got a car and you'd like to rent it out. Matter of fact, some people have made an entire business of this. They bought some low-end cars under $5,000 or $10,000, they put it on the app cheaply, and they more than pay for the car and have an instant income. Some people will have 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 cars on there that they're earning money off of. It's a great way to earn money. Now there's a few stipulations to TURO. Your car has to have less than 130,000 miles on it, and it has to be less than 12 years old and cannot be registered in the state of New York. But if you qualify under those things, you can start making money. Do you like pets? You like dogs? Check out Rover. That's my number 5 suggestion. The way Rover works is you get paid to walk dogs, to go in and feed animals, whatever you want to do with it. But here's the cool thing about Rover. You set your own rates. Rover takes 20% of whatever you're paid. So if you charge somebody $50 to go walk their dogs, you're going to give $10 to Rover and you're going to pocket 40 bucks. Now this could be a 30-minute job or a 45-minute job and you've just made 40 bucks. Okay, 30-minute job, that's $80 an hour. That's pretty good earnings off an app. Check out rover.com. Next one I want to tell you about, number 6, is Instacart. Now I really found out about Instacart during the illness. Okay, in the beginning of the illness, we were probably like everybody else. You didn't even know if you could go outside your house. You were so scared, right? We got over all that and we're getting through it and we're all doing fine now. However, Instacart was something that a lot of people picked up on. They realized that they could go to Instacart, they could put all the groceries into a cart, they could send it to Instacart, and you could be that person delivering those groceries. Once again, if you're going to be delivering something to somebody's house, you want to be kind, you want to be polite, you want to be dressed well, you want to look clean and neat. If you do that, you can also get tips on Instacart too, on top of the fees that they pay. Check out instacart.com. Number 7 is GIGWALK. GIGWALK's pretty cool. What it is they need information. Maybe you're going to have to go into a store, take some pictures of a display for a company or something along those lines. Now these can range anywhere from $3 to $10 or even higher depending on the difficulty of the actual gig. The cool thing about GIGWALK is you could do a whole bunch of them in one day. Now the only thing about GIGWALK is it's going to take you a few days to get approved, but once approved you can pick as many gigs as you want and make a lot of money, and most of these gigs only can take you a few minutes to do. So it's a pretty cool app. You'll want to check it out. The next one, number 8, is Capital One Shopping. Now do you ever wonder when you're shopping for something online, are you really getting the best price? Well, if you download the app Capital One Shopping, it actually notifies you when things go on sale. You can actually earn points and bonuses based on purchasing from their partnered stores. So you'll want to get Capital One Shopping. I mean, heck, you'll want to have that anyhow. Even if you don't want to do any of these other things, why not get paid back for stores like Home Depot or Walmart or places you're already going to? Get you a Capital One Shopping app. Number 9 is DOSH, D-O-S-H. All you have to do is download this app and you actually get cash back based on shopping with their partners. You could use this for gasoline. I mean, every time you go get gas, you're going to get paid. That's pretty cool stuff. Every time you go to particular stores, you're going to get paid. That's pretty cool stuff. So this isn't even really work for you. All you have to do is have a linked credit card in the DOSH app, and every time you purchase things that are partnered stores, you're going to get paid. Their payout is based on the amount of money. Once you reach $25, they will pay you out on your PayPal account. Number 10 is IBOTTA. IBOTTA is a really cool app because it pays you on the stores you're already going to. Maybe it's Walmart, maybe it's CVS, maybe it's a club type store like a Sam's Club or something like that. It pays out on a lot of these stores, and all you have to do is download the app, and every time you shop you do that. Now sometimes there's going to be bonuses involved, and if there's a bonus involved, you take a picture of your receipt and you can also get rebates on those purchases too. Guys, the next one I want to tell you about, number 11, is FETCHREWARDS. FETCHREWARDS. You got to get you a Fetch Reward. I have that on my phone, and all you have to do is when you go grocery shopping, all you have to do is take a picture of the receipt. Every time you do that, you earn points, and those points are added to your account, and you get paid out in cash, which is a pretty cool deal. Number 12 is HEALTHYWAGE. Now you're gonna love this one. Have you ever tried to lose weight and sometimes the motivation just goes away? Well, the way HEALTHYWAGE works is you put in how much weight you want to lose. Now the minimum is going to be 10%, but if you lose 10%, they're going to actually pay you to do that. And the more friends you invite, the more money you can make. So you could get a pool of friends that are all trying to lose weight, and you could earn up to as much as $300 if you lose just 10% of your weight. So that's pretty cool to get paid and get healthy, and that's why they call it HEALTHYWAGE. And my last one, 13, great name, Achievement. You want to get Achievement app. Achievement app is really cool because what it does is it actually syncs with your other apps that are fitness apps. So Fitbit or MyFitness or whatever you have, and you want to check and make sure that your fitness app syncs with it. But what it does is for every 10,000 points you get, and points are based on your activity and how much you work out, they're going to give you 10 bucks. And they're going to give you 10 bucks in your PayPal account. Now think of this, if you're exercising anyhow, right, you're still doing it, why not get paid to do that? Not to mention the fact that the motivation of getting paid when you work out, that's pretty cool. Somebody's paying you to work out. You're not going to get rich off this app, but if you're working out anyhow and you already use a fitness app, why wouldn't you take advantage of this? It would just make sense. So those are 13 apps that you can use. All 13 of those are not for everybody. Maybe some people don't work out, but some people work out a whole lot. Well, Achievement would be good for them. Some of those fitness apps would be good. Maybe you do a lot of shopping online. Some of those shopping apps would be really good for you. The point is, guys, there's so many things out there right now that could earn you money that you're already doing. You just need an app to take, control of that, to measure that so that you get your money. Now, do you have any apps that you like? And if so, put them in the comments below. Let me know what apps that you've tried out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Super important that you do that. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live. Now, if you're looking for more ways to make money online, I have a course below, absolutely free. It's a $97 course, but for a limited time I'm offering it absolutely free. Check out the course below, click that link, earn and learn. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.